So what is charm pricing? Well, people tend to think in our minds that when a price ends in a 9, it is far better valued than well-rounded prices. Our brains process numbers extremely quickly, making snap judgments about pricing and the value that is actually given with that particular product based on the price. This is very quickly assumed because we've got so much going on and we need to make these fast judgments. So it's almost like an unconscious process that goes on in our mind without us even knowing about it. So for example, if we're looking at a product and it's $299, we don't see 300, we actually see the 2 first and then assume that it's closer to 200, even though we all know it isn't. In 2013, Gumroad, a company, analysed the items on their site under $6 where the price ended in a 9. They were basically comparing all their products that ended in a 9 with pricing in regards to all the other products which they had a more rounded number for their pricing. The conversion rate for items with the charm price was 3.5% compared to 2.3%. That's a 51% difference. So the fact of the matter is, charm pricing does work, and companies use this all the time. Supermarkets use it all the time. There's a reason why all these big companies use this particular form of pricing, because it simply works and it's effective. In another experiment, a fashion store was selling the exact same dress with 3 different prices. The 3 prices they were using is $34, $39, and $44. The results were very clear. The $39 dress outsold both the $44 dress and the $34 dress by a significant amount, therefore showcasing that charm pricing does indeed work. If you want more incredible neuromarketing tips and tricks that you can use to, grow your brand and get more business, then feel free to click the link in the description where you can literally get 29 more of these incredible methods to help you grow your business and take it to the next level. You can start a 30-day free trial right now, which gives you instant access into not only that, but also the most powerful strategic branding program on the entire planet. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you like it, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care, guys.